Hello everyone, welcome back to the Wonder Garden channel. This is where I share tips on caring for and restoring plants, helping them grow healthier and bloom more beautifully every day. Today, I'm going to show you how to revive a severely wilted peace lily like this one. This peace lily was neglected for nearly a month while I was away on a business trip. When I returned, the plant was almost completely dried out, with only a few weak green stems left. And in this video, I'll share each step in detail to give this peace lily a chance to come back to life. If you also have a wilted peace lily like this, be sure to watch closely. This method is simple and easy to apply at home. Next, I remove all the dried, wilted, or rotten parts of the plant, keeping only the healthy sections with firm stems and green leaves. This step is very important because it completely separates the plant from dead tissue, prevents the spread of fungi and disease, and allows the plant to focus its energy on recovering the remaining healthy parts. The more thoroughly damaged parts are removed, the better the plant's chances of recovering quickly and growing strong again. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language, comment below, and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. After neatly trimming away all the dead and wilted parts, I rinse the remaining plants with clean water. This step helps wash away old soil, dirt, bacteria, and fungal residue that may still be clinging to the roots and base after a long period of drought. This cleaning step helps improve airflow, reduce the risk of root rot, and create the best conditions for the plant to begin its recovery. After rinsing, I let the plant drain for a few minutes before moving on to the next steps of repotting and care, helping the peace lily regain strength and grow again more quickly. To treat the plant before repotting, I'll use 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder. Cinnamon powder is a very effective natural ingredient with mild antibacterial and antifungal properties, helping reduce the risk of stem rot and infection after pruning. Add 500 milliliters of warm water. Add 500 milliliters of warm water. After mixing, I cover it and let the solution steep for about 2 hours. After 2 hours, once the solution has completely cooled, the next step is very important. Strain out all the cinnamon residue and keep only the clear liquid. Next, I soak the base and roots of the peace lily in this solution for about 10 to 15 minutes. This step helps clean the cut surfaces, reduce the risk of fungal infection, and stabilize the plant before it is replanted into fresh growing medium. While the plant is soaking in the solution, I also use the cinnamon solution to care for the leaves. I take a soft cotton pad, lightly soak it in the solution, and gently wipe each side of the leaves. Wiping the leaves not only removes dust, bacteria, and fungi still clinging to the leaf surface, but also improves airflow and supports photosynthesis as the plant recovers. When cleaning, use gentle movements and wipe both the upper and underside of the leaves. Avoid rubbing too hard to prevent scratching, especially on young and weak leaves. Although simple, this leaf care step is highly effective, helping keep the plant clean, healthier, and ready for repotting and further recovery. Next, I prepare the potting mix. In this mixture, I combine soil and coconut coir at a ratio of 60% soil and 40% coconut coir. Once the plant has soaked long enough, I take it out and begin repotting it into a new pot. Repotting into a new pot provides a cleaner, more breathable, and more nutrient-rich environment, which is very important during the recovery stage. The planting process is quite simple. We plant it as usual. First, place the plant upright in the center of the pot, adjusting it so the base is stable and straight. Next, I evenly add the pre-mixed loose, fresh soil around the base of the plant. As I add the soil, I gently press it down to secure the plant until the base is fully covered, but not too firmly, so the roots still have space to breathe. And stir well. Stirring well helps release natural nutrients from the rice, such as B vitamins, starch, and minerals, into the water. This rice water solution is gentle and safe, helping stimulate root activity and support better nutrient absorption. After stirring, I slowly pour the entire solution directly onto the base of the plant, watering gently and evenly so it can soak into the soil. Avoid pouring too forcefully to prevent the soil around the base from washing away. Finally, place the plant in a cool, well-ventilated area with gentle, indirect light. Avoid direct sunlight, especially during the first few days after recovery. During the first 7 to 10 days, simply keep the soil lightly moist and avoid overwatering to prevent root rot. At this stage, the plant needs time to stabilize its root system and adapt to the new environment. After 1 month, my peace lily has fully recovered. The plant is healthy again, with glossy green leaves that are much larger and thicker than before. This shows that the care and recovery process I shared is truly effective, helping the plant quickly regain its vitality and grow steadily. From a wilted pot that seemed almost beyond saving, the peace lily is now healthy, green, and full of life. I hope that with this simple and easy-to-follow method, your wilted peace lily will soon recover, turn green again, and continue to bloom beautifully in the time ahead. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Wonder Garden for more simple yet effective plant care tips. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next videos.